I think a lot of us are sleeping on coconut milk. Coconut milk is very tasty, healthy, and very easy to make. Come with me, let me show you how. The toughest part of this process is breaking your coconuts. It was a struggle. And why are some coconuts really stubborn? You know, when they yap somebody and say, see your coconut head, or why your head strong like coconut own, this is the coconut they were referring to. Once the coconut has been broken, every other thing is easy. So the next thing to do is to deshell it, bring out the meat of the coconut from the shell. A big thanks to the sponsor of today's video, GOMARKET NG. If you don't want to go through this stress like me, you need to shop from GOMARKET NG, and they would deshell the coconut for you if you ask them to do so. GOMARKET is a brand based in Lagos that helps you shop for quality local food stuff, your groceries, household necessities, and what have you. After deshelling the coconut, the next thing to do is to cut them into tiny pieces to make it easier for your blender. And then I wash that and I just put in some water into the bowl so that I can also rinse it off again and put it in the blender. So I put everything in the blender, and this is where you need to pay attention. So the water, see where I am pointing, the water has to be on the same level as the coconut, or just a little bit above the coconut. That is how you get creamy coconut milk. I know a lot of us are for the soft life. If you're one of us, then you need to shop from GOMARKET NG, because they can help you shop for coconut milk from your favorite brands or whatever foreign product it is that you like. So after we've blended that until it is very smooth, we're going to pour it into a sieve. And this is just the first step. Put in a bit more water, and then using a spoon I just pressed everything down to get more of the juice into the plate. And like I showed earlier, we're using two sieves. We're using this normal sieve, and then we're using a flour sieve. So here is the flour sieve, and we're going to sieve it for the second time to make sure we do not have coconut particles. Coconut particles are not bad. Coconut is very good, has a lot of fiber, but for the sake of this coconut milk, we don't need it. You can shop on GOMARKET's website or send your list to them on Instagram or on WhatsApp. You get same day delivery if you make your order before 12 p.m. From GOMARKET today and relieve yourself of market stress. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.